Hello guys, it's me, Maverick Lee. Welcome back to the channel, and I am in a place called Haikou, China. For those who are new to the channel and have not seen my previous video, the reason I am in Haikou, China is to see Kanye West. So check out my previous video to see more on the Kanye West show. I've heard that in this mall there is the very famous Tiger Black Sugar shop from Taiwan. Now I've really wanted to go here, and I've made a video on this before, but it wasn't this brand, it was not this shop. So I thought I would try and locate it and find it inside this very mall. So let's go take a look, and I will hopefully find this store and try it and compare it to the other black sugar drink that I had. Here we are. We have found it. Eh, 你好。我要那个。对对对对，对对对。好。Wow, I finally got the Tiger Sugar famous drink from the famous store. Now this store, as far as I am aware, it's only in Taiwan. So I am so amazed to find it here in Haikou, China. So let's give this a try and let's see what it's like. I have to say, by the visuals alone, it looks exceptional. It really does. You can see all the tiger stripes. It really, really looks delicious. I can't wait. There it goes. Well, the first time I got Boba stuck in the straw. Can you see that? That's not a good start, is it? The tea is very strong. As soon as I had this, I got a big impression of dark tea. Now it's nice. This must be like caramel. Now it's getting better. Give it a little mix. That is really, really good. I would say for visuals, is definitely 5 out of 5 stars. For first impression, it's not very good. I would say first impression is like 2.5, but after the first try of it, it grows on you very fast and it becomes much, much sweeter. It's very, very delicious now. And to be honest, comparing this one to my last black sugar tiger tea video that I did, this one is definitely better. So I can see why this one is so famous. It's much milder, smoother, and it's just a perfect balance of sweetness and everything. The other tiger black sugar tea that I looked at, that was too sweet, way too sweet. So this one, definitely the better one. So that is why it's so famous. It's quite nice when you mix it up actually, because I feel like it settles. As soon as you get it, I feel like it's settling. So the sweetness, the caramel or whatever it is, here, the tiger stripe, must be caramel. I feel like it settles straight away. So you have to give it a little mix and it tastes much better. Well guys, that's it. That's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this small, short video review. And if you like this black sugar tiger milk review, then check out my other black sugar tiger milk review on my channel. Or check out my channel for further videos just like this. Don't forget, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.